feeling back coming to the college again as an alumni?
Obviously nostalgic, and being an alumni of this college, it is obvious this college is like one of the best college in North India, I would say, and अपने education system पे they are working a lot. Being an alumni of this college, I feel after passing my BDS, इतना तुम सीख चुके होते. I learned a lot. बहुत सारा काम सीख के निकले थे. I can start my practice, independent practice also. They are working very hard on each and every student. And being an alumni of this college and coming back to college again, I feel very proud and very good. I feel like I'm in a very good position and doing good in my clinical career. That's why they have called me back to this college to motivate all my juniors.
And so some points on how the future dentists are just going to start their clinic. So some points for them they can keep in mind.
Okay, if you're doing BDS and you're going to be a dentist one day, start dreaming, set your goals, start planning. Because as soon as you start your clinical practice, as soon as you will get stabilized, stable practice होगी, जितना जल्दी start करोगे, and start planning. Planning is the most important thing. You should dream about your clinic. Obsession होना चाहिए. Affirmation करो, manifestation करो, whatever you want to do planning and set your goals. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.